Aloha friends! Welcome back to Easy Cheesy. I'm Joey, he's Remy, and we have a yummy Hawaiian recipe for you today, inspired by one of my favorite Disney movies, Lilo and Stitch. Oh, okay, I guess Stitch will be supervising today. Oh, okay, sweet. We're gonna show you how to make poke, but first, a little history. Poke is a Hawaiian word that means cut, dice, or slice, which is exactly how the ingredients are presented in this dish. The traditional poke recipe consists in raw fish diced into cubes, seasoned with poke seasonings. But modern recipes combine it with other ingredients such as sushi rice, quinoa, cucumber, avocado, corn, and 100 more. We're obviously going to be adding a cheesy twist to ours. So, without further ado, give us a thumbs up and share if you like how we make this poke.
I wanna see a mix. This is very original. We can make all kinds of mixes.
That's all you gotta do to get yourself a delicious and healthy poke. The possibilities are literally endless. Just remember you have to use fish or seafood in general as a base and then combine it with any and all ingredients that you can think of. Mahalo for watching this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, tell us in the comments, how would you build your Pokeball? We're intrigued, so we'd like to know. And one last thing, as usual, all you gotta say is cheese please, and we'll add a cheesy twist to any recipe that you propose. Thank you once again for watching. Bye-bye. Aloha.
Hi there, good to see you back. Ahio, 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 ahio.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and follow Easy Cheesy.
The cheesiest teamed recipes ever. Ahio, 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 ahio.